It's fall DIY season and Dollar Tree has a ton of fall merchandise. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, you guys, so obviously the first thing I'm going to start with are these velvet pumpkins. I bought one in every single color that they offered at Dollar Tree, or at least the ones that I saw at my Dollar Tree. How cute are these? I really love this orange. I love this blue. I really kind of love this gray, the green, and definitely like the darker navy. I kind of wish I would have bought more of these because I feel like these will be an awesome staple. Like, how cool are these going to be able to add to like a floral, arrangement or something? There are so many cool floral treatments at Dollar Tree right now, and like this is actually one of them that I was going to show you too. I did buy 4 of these, and I kind of love this kind of black and white kind of harvesty vibe that you get, and I wanted something that would just kind of fit, just kind of neutrally, if that makes sense. Something I could put on the door now. Maybe the neighbors wouldn't totally think I was crazy. And then also something that could carry me through the holidays, because as you know, you could very easily add buffalo check or something like that to this, and that makes it fall. And then also this just fell off of it, so we got to put it up here to make sure that Mr. Otis doesn't get to it, because as a matter of fact, we're just going to put all those up there because he likes to eat fake flowers sometimes, and that is not a good thing for him. These are actually back in stock as well, and if you remember these from last year, they had a bunch of these. I only needed them in these couple colors because I do want to add some of these to the wreath that I made last year when I used these. You've probably already seen it in a Dollar Tree DIY video. What's going on with my hair? And I wanted to just be able to add some more to it. And also, I kind of like the idea of having these on hand for, I've got a Halloween DIY idea. So more there. Stay tuned for those. These decorative picks are always great to grab as well. What I really liked about these is if you saw Shannon, the Daily DIYer, and Whitney from Whiskey and Wit, they recently did some Pottery Barn dupes, and it was kind of hilarious. They did almost the same identical wreath, and it's not uncommon because we're all working with the same type of stuff, and so, that's going to happen from time to time. But they are, first of all, they're adorable. I love them both. And I'm trying to find these other things. But anyway, they created these great pumpkin wreaths that have these little pumpkins. And they're about the same size, but they have little clips on them. I think I have some of them in this ungodly pile below me, but these are also options that you could use, and you could use some of the larger ones and then fill in with the smaller ones. They also had these in a bunch of different colors, so check those out. The pumpkin wreath form, they have this every year. I have seen this a couple different times, and I am going to go, I don't know what I was trying to say there. I'm going to join them together like this and make a kind of a garden sculpture thing. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to use this from Dollar Tree. So kind of imagine these being wired together, all kinds of fun vines and leaves and different things. And then, I don't know, moss, dirt combo in here, rocks, something to weigh it down, and then that will kind of sit on top of there. And that's kind of what I'm thinking, almost like a garden, kind of like a garden decor thing. So and then I bought these garland leaves to be able to do that with. So my thought was I would take these and I would kind of wrap these around. I just noticed though, I don't know if I like this. Why does Dollar Tree do this? They put glittery leaves on here. I don't want glitter on my fall stuff, but I may just spray paint over it, or just use these instead. These are also really, really fun. I saw a really cute idea that I want to try and replicate and do for you guys for fall. I feel like there's so much fall activity out there right now, but aren't those beautiful? That whole just color combo of the yellow and the red and the orange is just incredible. So that is part of the DIY that is coming up. This is also this berry garland that they kind of come out with for every season. I haven't seen it in these colors before with the orange and the burgundies, and the burgundy is kind of a little darker there. But that is also something that is super, super fun to use for fall. I did get like 2 things at Dollar... Is it Dollar General or Family Dollar? I don't remember what I got, but I don't remember where I bought them, but I will share them with you. I bought some styrofoam, some floral foam, because anytime I can get the square blocks, I always get those. And these, by the way, are 4 individual little blocks. See how they're kind of cut there? So that's kind of cool. I didn't realize, I don't know if they're always been like that, because I always keep the plastic on my foam, and I use it kind of usually at this size. So, I don't know. Tell me, is that new? Is that something new that Dollar Tree's doing? The other things that I grabbed that I thought were super, super cute were these little sunflower kind of stickers. They have these larger ones, and then they have these, I just called them stickers, but they're not stickers. They have wires on the back of them. And remember the little harvest ghost that I made for a DIY a couple of DIYs ago? How cute would those little sunflowers have been, like around the headband of the little harvest ghost? I think that could have been really, really adorable. This I grabbed just kind of honestly thinking for Christmas time, this Believe kind of laser cut word thing. It's a 2-piece. I usually see home, and I see thankful, and I see grateful, but I don't really see the word believe a whole lot. And I think most of you know, but I have the word believe tattooed here on my arm. Let's see. These were an impulse buy. They were at the checkout. Somebody had put these kind of, they decided they didn't want these last minute, and they just kind of hung them there where like the lighters and the, you know, random stuff is like that. And I grabbed them. They were my impulse buy, and they're going to be incorporated into some fun fall DIYs for sure. These I got at Dollar General as well. Look at this. This, hello fall, but guess what? This is not a sign. It's a lazy Susan. It's a lazy Susan. It's a lazy Susan. A lazy Susan from Dollar Tree. This was in the plus section. This was $5. Oh my gosh. I am so happy for many reasons. One, I think I'm going to put this in my kitchen, and I'm going to put my utensil holder on it. I have a pretty big, oversized kind of utensil holder, and that will help for spinning it around. But another thing I thought about doing that, and I've seen creators do this where they'll use a lazy Susan for spray painting projects and stuff. I could take that outside, like when I'm done with it for the fall, or just get another one and use it outside, and anytime I'm spray painting, I can just spin it around with that. So, you know, instead of having to walk around, I'm just being lazy, being silly. The other thing I grabbed were these blue placemats, these circle placemats. I grabbed 3 of them because I was thinking if you kind of staggered them like that, they kind of maybe, probably not exactly like that, but they could look like a pumpkin, right? Remember how people used to take the splatter lids and create pumpkins with them? So I'm kind of thinking like a blue pumpkin. Navy seems to be really, really popular in a lot of fall, fall accessories and things. So I snagged that for sure because you know me, and I love navy, and why wouldn't I buy that? This was in the Halloween section, but I kept it here in the fall section because I want to put a fall arrangement or something in there. It's a little cork bottle, super, super cute. It is plastic though, and I just thought it would be fun. It's the perfect kind of fall colors for you know, doing something like that. Probably not quite that big, but even those smaller stems that I showed you with the white flower, like that could be really, really pretty together. I bought some emergency candles. These are 4-hour emergency candles, and I bought them because of the size of them. And the reason why I bought them is because I found these new things at Dollar Tree and thought that they were super cute. This is a votive candle holder, and then this is also a votive candle holder, but that hole seems really, really large to me. And it does say on the bottom of it that it's a candle holder, but I'm trying to figure out, like, what the hell kind of candle is that? You know, that's a pretty big round candle. And this will hold a votive with no problem at all. But I love that gold, or that kind of brassy antique gold, I guess it is, and that kind of faux wood grain. And just thought that they were super kind of modern looking. And again, this is a great like coffee table accent or something like that. Could be used for a lot of really cool things, but I've got to figure out a candle that would fit in there. What I'm thinking I'd probably do is get one of the tall, skinny candles, the taper candles. I never can say it. And maybe melt that down a little bit more, and then just kind of stick it down in the wax to hold it. I don't really know. Or I just have to spend more time looking at candles outside of Dollar Tree and see if I can find some thicker ones that just make more sense with that. I grabbed some of this burlap trim because I really like working with this as well. And when I was doing my little harvest ghost, I actually was looking for this and I did not have any in my stash. So I grabbed it. These are the pumpkins I was telling you about with the little clips on the back of them. So these are really, really fun to incorporate into wreaths and floral arrangements and all kinds of fun things for the holidays. Fabrics. Anytime you can grab some fabric at Dollar Tree, definitely do that. You know, I grabbed that one because of Christmas time coming up. That one is going to stay in the Christmas stash. That I just thought was really, really nice. I loved that black and white stripe. And then I love this bandana, this kind of black bandana fabric. And again, thought that this could be really fun for a lot of different things. So we will see what inspires me with those. Now, there is amazing, amazing ribbon right now at Dollar Tree. Look at those gorgeous colors. Look at all of these gorgeous colors. Let's just look at these individually, and then I've got some smaller ones too. Navy, you know me in navy. Navy, buffalo, hello. You know I'm gonna take it. I could make a jacket or a coat out of all that. This one also I thought was gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is with the navy accents. Again, this one I like died. I could not believe just how beautiful that was. And believe it or not, I only bought one of each of these. So I'm probably going to be hating that in a couple months. But look at that. That is so pretty. And that also has a great navy in it. And then there were some smaller ones. This is another kind of orange and green and navy one. And then this is just kind of a really nice, kind of a burlappy, kind of a khaki looking one that I thought was cute. And then these eyeballs, because when I was making my little scarecrow ghost, I was thinking I needed some little eyeballs. And then maybe when I do my Halloween ghost, I'll incorporate those. The next 3 items were from, I believe they were from Family Dollar. About this rake, because I am going to, it's a summertime rake. I think it was $5, but then it was like, I think it was like 50% off. So it was like $2.50. But I was thinking if I took this and I spray painted it a galvanized metal color, this would become a very cool kind of maybe door wreath. I'm thinking if I could put it on the door and decorate this up with some flowers. Then I saw this bundle of flowers. This was $5. And I thought maybe kind of incorporating it together. Maybe not with all of these. Maybe just a few of them. But I'm thinking that and maybe some nautical rope or something. So that will be a fall DIY that you guys will see coming up. And then another fall DIY idea, I needed clothespins. And my Dollar Tree has been out of clothespins, so I don't know what's going on, but I was able to find them at, I think it was Family Dollar, and they were $1, I think they were like $1.20 or something like that. So maybe there's a, nope, it's not on there. But yeah, so that is everything I got from Dollar Tree with the exception of those last few items. And I am just crazily working on all kinds of fun DIY projects for fall and for Halloween. And then soon enough, we're going to be starting on Christmas as well. So stay tuned. If you are one of my subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here. I really, really appreciate you. And I look forward to bringing you lots of more fun and more DIYs and all kinds of really cool stuff really, really soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.